We did it. We did what they said we couldn't do. Best is, we did what they said was impossible. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. Grammy nominated. We did it. Oh my God. She's my mother have to boil my dumpling today. Mama have to put on a pot of dumpling for me today. May I tell you? Me say me run. Baby, bestie, we did what they said was impossible. I said this last year, 2020, and I'm going to say it again. When man say no, God say yes.
Amen.
Let me just say it again. Because my besties, them know say, I said this 2020. When man say no, God say yes. What I did today is not normal. You know why? Because they said it would never happen. Because they said it was impossible. I am just the living testimony to you guys out there that anything is possible. Besties, I love you. I love each and every one of you. If I could just travel the earth and hug each and every one of you who I see cry on the internet for me, who fight for me, who speak this into existence, who told me that this was possible. Yo, they said it would have happened. I love you guys. Shaggy, you're my hero. I know you're tired to hear I tell you that I love you. But I'm going to tell you today again, Shaggy. I love you. I appreciate you. You're my hero. There's a lot of people to thank. And I'm going to take my time. I'm going to go through them one by one. Because even though a whole heap of people fight me, and even though a heap of people bring me down, there's so many people out there who love me, who push me, inspire me, who believed in me. And today, I'm Grammy nominated. Hold on. Let me play my song again. Me a sweat, hush. Me a sweat. Hold on, bestie. Hold on, bestie. They said it was impossible. I need the next one. Friends. Let me find friends. Let me find friends. Because the way they try to bring me down. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me find friends. Besties. I know I've had a lot of friends out there who try to stop me and who try to bring me down. My friend is here today. I want to show you Mida. This is Dr. Mida. When I always hear me and say, put some respect on her name. This is Dr. Mida. Because all along, me swear say she like the name Doctor while she say, I'm Dr. Mida. And I never take it serious until I go around her yard and see the girl big degree on her dresser. Big doctorate on her something. We went to Africa. Most of you remember when we went to Africa for her birthday. And we were on vacation in Africa. And she's a member of the Grammy board. And she got the email and she was saying, tomorrow is the deadline. I have to submit you. That's it, submit. Mm-hmm. She said, tomorrow is the deadline for Grammy. I'm a part of the Grammy board. I'm going to submit you. I was doubtful, to be honest, because sometimes we make society and people put a doubt in our mind, say it's impossible. Say, you know, people say it's impossible. I'm going to leave it at that. Because remember, me always say, me a little Gracie, you know. Little Gracie. So I said, cho. And she said, no. I'm going to put it in and never know what can happen. And this is Dr. Mida. She sat there. And remember me telling her, say, we forgot outside, go swim. We forgot to take picture with the giraffe. I'm excited to see the animal them outside. The monkey bite me on my finger. I never forget. And the girl sit down and type. She type them, ask some question. I never know. So somebody could have sit down on one computer for nearly 5 hours. Thank you. It's okay. I'm happy for you. We did it. She believed in me from day one. She believed in me even when I was probably listening to society out there that a day like this wouldn't be possible. Little Gracie, and she submitted. And because remember, this is not like my fans didn't have the opportunity to vote. This was just people who, like a certain, you know, kind of people who was a member of the board. And so I feel like because my fans wasn't in it, I felt like people would have been biased against me. And I felt that way because them always biased against me. Oh my God, I'm happy. I don't want to cry with you today. I want to just celebrate. So, because people always fight me so hard, I just, you know, I felt like it was impossible.
Because everyone deserves
So yeah, because we get so much fight in a dancehall, and because the fight just always come from every angle, like people just get up every day and say, let me figure out how we can tear down Spice. So I felt like it was impossible. But anything is possible. Anything is possible. These tears are just joy. This is me just happy with you guys. And I want to tell you thank you, that I'm really grateful. I'm so happy and I'm grateful. And let me say this. It's not the matter of if I win next year. Even if I don't win next year. Today, I'm already a winner. Because I did what they said was impossible. VP Records! VP Records, the one on from VP, I love you.